Hey guys, this is Praveen here, and in this video, we'll see how to remove duplicates from a sorted linked list. So you can see here, and we are given a head of the sorted linked list, and we have to remove all the duplicates in that list so that each element will appear only once. So we have an example here with three elements like 1, 1, and 2. So after removing all the duplicates in it, we may get 1 and 2 like this. So what we are doing is we are just iterating through the list, and we are checking the current element like a current node's value to the next node's value. If the both are equal, we are just removing the next element. So we are just removing the next node. Why we are doing is because since it is sorted linked list, so you can see here it is a sorted linked list. Since it is sorted, if there is a duplicate element, it must be an adjacent element. Like if there is a duplicate one in it, then it must be the adjacent one like this. So it must be adjacent together. So you can see here it's not like a 1 2 and 1. It may be difficult if the we may use hash table to maintain the scene elements if that's the case. Since it is sorted, it is easy. We have to check only the adjacent nodes if that's equal or not. So if that's the case, like if that's an equal element, we are just removing that next node. So it's easy. Removing a node is simple, like we are pointing here right now. So we are just changing this link to make it point to the next node like this. We are just changing this link and make it point to this node like this. So we may get rid of this one middle of the no like middle of the list. So we are having a second example with the five elements in there, and we are removing two elements from it, which is 1 and 3. And we are checking like as same I said in that example. So we are checking this one to the next one, like next node. So since it is equal, we are just removing this by changing this link to point to the next node. And now we are here. So now 2 and 3 is not equal. So we are just skipping it by changing the pointer to next. And we are now here. So now the 3 and 3 is equal. So we are just changing this link to point to null. So why it's null? Because the last element in that linked list will be pointing to null. So we are just changing this element to point to null. So it's easy like that. So we can do it by iterating through that list. So let me do that by creating a node variable, which is which will be having a copy of head. So after that, we are having a while loop, and we have a condition like a node is not null and node dot next is not null. So if it's not null, the while loop will work, or else it will break. And we are checking first, we are checking the current node's value, like a node dot value is equal to the node dot next dot value or not. So we are just checking that. So what this line means, which means we are just check the node is the current node. We are since we are iterating, so let's assume it as a first node. So we are here, and we are checking the node's value to the next node's value like this, node's value to the next node's value. And if it's equal, we are just changing that node's next pointer to pointing it to node's next dot next. We are just changing that address, like initially the address will be like this node. So we are just changing that to link to the next node after it. So we may get rid of this middle node, and we are done. Okay, so after it, so let's take this example right now. So after removing this, now we are here. Let's assume now we are here. So 2 is not equal to 3. Okay, so we have an else part. So what we are doing is, if 2 is not equal to 3, so then it must be unique elements. So we are just changing that pointer to next, like incrementing the pointer by 1, like this. We are just else node equal to node dot next. So it's equivalent to I plus equal to 1. We may increment it while using a while loop. So just like that, we are just incrementing the node to next. So if it's not equal, so after that the pointer will be here, and we are just checking again 3 is equal to 3. So since it is equal, we are just make it point to null, which is after this last element. So after every last element in that linked list will be null. Yeah, so we are done, and we are just returning the head to it, to the console. So after that, we are done. Yeah, so let me run it. Yeah, we are done. It accepted the test case. So let me submit it so that we'll check all the test cases. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so we are at the end of the video. So this is how we remove duplicate elements from a sorted list. If it's not sorted, we may use hash table to maintain a scene list, like a scene set of numbers, and we are just comparing that. So we may do that in a future video. So if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon right next to it, so that you will never miss any of my updates. And if you have any suggestion, let me know in comments. So thank you. And this code will be in my GitHub page, and link for that will be in my description. Check it out.